This is going to be a nice frame. You can see that wooden plate here, and I just put the black color on top of it. Now I'm going to draw some types of scenery, so that's why in this black canvas I'm going to use the white color for the drawing material. Okay, so the painting I'm going to use here, it's like a acrylic painting. So let's see. As you know, the dark canvas, so obviously I'm going to put a moon on the top. Okay, some parts you may see the black, but in some points I'm putting the dot here, so some are bigger, some are smaller for the stars in the night sky, darker sky. Okay, so with the brush just I'm putting few strokes of the clouds formations. Okay, for the night sky you can see the clouds formations around the moon. So that's why I just first draw the moon, then I'm putting the shadows here. Okay, so in the water also you can see the shadow coming from the top level, and as it goes downward you can see it's fading or becoming smaller. Okay, and here just drawing a mountain, so let's see. Just first I'm putting the outlines here, the smaller one, then I'm going to put a bigger one here. So one side just putting the brighter color, then it's becoming less bright. As I'm moving to the left side you can see fewer parts of the white shadow. Again taking the color starting from the right side and coming to the left part, getting fewer shadow. Okay, all right, so two mountains basically you can see here. Awesome. So for those mountains let's put the shadow on the water, just putting like this. Few parts are darker here, also another one. So as you can see two mountains, so shadows must be two of those. Okay, and this is going to be the water. Okay, all right, here just putting few grasses. So as you know, for defining the landscapes you're just putting few plants in this corner, and sometimes maybe we're going to put some flowers on top of the plants. That's why making the top parts of the little things pointy. You can see the brush strokes as I'm pouring right now. Okay, so that's why now I'm getting the yellow color and putting on top the yellow part, so it's just showing that there are some types of flowers just on top of the landscapes here, few plants. Okay, so very nice. At the bottom of the mountain just putting few racks of the yellow. Okay, so you can easily see that there are two types of color fabrications. So in the black canvas I just used the white color and the yellow color. On top of the mountain let's put some yellow too. Okay, on the right side also putting yellow for the other mountain. Right, and few yellow just putting on the moon here on top. Okay, so one side white, another side yellow, putting some yellow shadow, and here just few yellow in the water label. Okay, so nice combinations, just two color types, the yellow and the white. Just trying to mix it up within the canvas very nicely. Okay, all right, so the painting is almost done. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, see you in our next video. So this is going to be the simple scenery. Let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, so from a further distance you can just see the real flavor of the painting. So if I can move here, so that's why we just put the painting on the wall or some other parts, okay, so that we can see it from a distance. Okay, so thank you so much, have a good day.